Hello everyone, I am Akash and I welcome you to this new video on the channel. And in this video I'm going to talk about two of the extensions that I use to customize my Visual Studio Code. So the one extension is for changing the theme of the Visual Studio Code, and the second one is to apply some icons to the files that are shown in the sidebar. So these are the two extensions that I'm going to show you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here let's go into the extensions section, and here you have to search for material theme. So just type material, and in here you have to search for this community material theme. So this is the one that you have to install. Okay, so it's installed now, and these are the different themes that you can choose from. And the one that I use, and you must have seen from my different videos, is this one, that is the Pale Night High Contrast. So this is the one that I use, and you can choose from all these different themes. So whichever you like, you can go for it. And not just these, you can go ahead and download any different themes that you want. So here is a very big list, and you can try any one of these, but this is the one that I use. So that is the community material theme. So here in the Explorer, I have opened one of my old projects. So this is how this looks on this theme, and if I go ahead and disable it, so this is now on the older one. So this is how it looks on the default theme, and let's enable it again, and yeah, so this is it. And now, as you can see here, the icons that are shown here. So if you want to change this, then there are themes available for that as well. The one that I use is this material icon theme. So let's install it, and these are the icons that you are going to see after you have installed this theme. And it is installed, and I'm just going to select this one. So let's see, and as you can see here, that the icons are now changed. So this is the material icon theme that I use. So yeah, this was a short video on how you can customize your Visual Studio Code, and these are the two extensions that I prefer. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, then subscribe to the channel. And yeah, do also check out the VS Code playlist. You will find different videos around VS Code that I've made. So do check out that playlist as well. So that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.